Hey everyone, let us solve this geometric progression problem. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 2. The problem is asking you to find out sum of infinite series of this. If you look at it, it is a combination of two geometric progressions. So the first one is this, and the second one is this. Over here and then over here, over here and then over here. So what is going to be my first series? First GP, infinite GP is going to be the first term, which is what? 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, and that is 1 by 5 whole square. And then 1 by 5 whole square into 1 by 5 whole square, it is coming out as 1 by 5 raised to 4. Similarly, it is going to be 5 raised to 6. 1 over 5 raised to 8, and so forth and so on. And what is sum of infinite terms of a given geometric progression? It is a1 minus r, a over 1 minus r, provided r mod r is less than 1. So the common ratio should be less than 1, only then it is a possibility. So in our case, obviously it is less than 1. So in this case, if you look at it, in our case, a is 1 by 25 and common ratio is also 1 by 25. So what is going to be sum of infinite terms? A, which is 1 by 25, divided by 1 minus r, which is 24 by 25. Let us simplify this. 25 and 25 will be gone. Sum of infinite terms will be 1 by 24. Clear hai hamare ko? Now, if you understand this, let us talk about the second geometric series. So if you look at the second GP out here, the second GP is going to be 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. So it is going to be 1 by 5 into 7 plus, what is going to be the second term? 1 by 5 square into 1 by 7 square. So probably it is going to be 1 by 5 into 7 whole square. And then it is going to be, I hope you understand now, 1 by 5 into 7 raised to 3. So again, what is a over here? A is 1 by 35, 5 into 7. And what is going to be the common ratio? Common ratio is also 1 by 35. And as I said, that sum of infinite terms of this geometric progression is going to be 1 by 35, which is the first term, divided by common ratio 1 minus 1 by 35. It is coming out as 34 by 35. And if you simplify, it is coming out as 1 over 34. And what is that you should be doing? From the first one, you will have to subtract the second one, because it's all subtraction. So what is going to be the final answer here? The final answer of this problem will be 1 over 24 minus 1 over 34, right? If I take 1 by 2 common, it is 12 into 17, and then this is 5, isn't it? So that's gonna be what? 5 over 408, and this is your right answer. I hope you have understood. If you can differentiate that there are two geometric progressions, then this problem is really very simple. And then at the end of it, you should also be knowing as to how you should find out sum of infinite terms of geometric progression, which is first term divided by 1 minus common ratio, right? Take care.